let's just calm down. Let's just, everybody calm down. This is my 4th caffeinated drink of the day. It's 2:30 and I got, I think, 2 hours of sleep last night. What the? Long story short, let's cut the bullshit. We're going to Europe. I am being so cringe right now, but long story short, you came here to get packing, grab a little beverage, let's catch up, let's pack. I have a lot of fun clothes to show you, lots of fun stuff coming up, and I'm going to Europe. Oh my gosh. Okay, I literally haven't been to Europe since I was 16 and I was with my family and it was so fun, and that was a while ago, and ever since I went, I've been dying to go back, and so here we are, 5 years later. We're gonna do Europe. First stop is Spain, and then we have another little stop in there, and it's all just gonna be, the other stop is Paris. I'm not gonna like not tell you. I'm also running off of very few hours of sleep, so if I say really stupid cringe shit, we're just gonna blame it on that. Let's do this thing. Let's get this party started. See, I'm already off to a cringe start. This is my suitcase, if you guys want to look at it. First we need to unpack, because I haven't unpacked yet. 5-minute journal. You guys, all right. I'm gonna tell you about this perfume. This shit smells so good. Woody Sage. Any of the Dossier perfumes. Hey guys. Okay, it's the next day. I officially have everything. I'm ready to pack. I have to pack my backpack, everything like that. But I have all these new fun brands that I get to talk to you about and show you the clothes. Okay, so let's, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's just get this started. Okay, the first brand I'm gonna show you is called House of Sunny. They're incredible. Now, you wanna see this? I've been so into corset tops for the past few months. I just love how they make me feel. I love the way they fit. They sent me, look at this one. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. That was the video. Goodbye. That's all I needed to show you. No. Look at this. White cargo pants. Guys, cargo pants also. Oh, so chef's kiss into them. Yes, I've been so into them. I'm also not liking how the lighting's looking, so we're gonna move you over here. Okay, this is good. This beautiful dress is also from House of Sunny. I'm just so excited about this. I know I'm gonna be wearing this out to dinner. It has like this adorable slit, beautiful shades of green. I'm so excited about this one. Next up, we have Pretty Funny Nice. They have a store in New York. Have a funny, pretty nice day. So these are all thrifted clothes. Or upcycled. Ooh, this is so cute. I don't know if I wear this. It's like a bubblegum kind of looking dress. I feel like I could wear this out, but I also feel like I'll just wear this as like PJs. I don't really know. But look at this dress. It has this purple lace. Oh my gosh. Like, and the fact that it's like secondhand too. And then we have this amazing top, which I feel like is just gonna be so fun because it's kind of like off the shoulder. And then we have these really fun dresses, which this is like a long V-cut, has the ruffles, and then it kind of flows out at the end. I'm definitely gonna wear these with like some little black heels. Like, look, just look at the set. You're joking, right? Look at the print. It's just, I literally don't even have words because look at how fun this is. Are you kidding me? This cute, comfy, funny, pretty nice top. And then last but not least, we have this really pretty long black dress with some really pretty blue flowers on it. So I'm so excited. This stuff is so elegant and I think I can put together a lot of cute outfits. So this is a sustainable clothing brand in New York City, handmade. These are organic cotton pants. Look at how beautiful these are. They're just long and flowy, organic cotton. We love, love, love. The brand is called BUCI, and like, look at this. You guys are gonna freak out at the dress I'm about to show you. I'm so excited to wear this. I am so excited to wear this. This is so fun! Okay, and then we have some fun tan pants once again. Just like, I don't know, we'll see what I wear these with, but maybe a more worky work environment. Okay, so next we have ORSEUND. Look at how beautiful. You can just tell the type of material it is. Like, so elegant. Opens in the back, little tie. This is the black skirt. And then we have this beautiful cardigan, and it cinches down here. The buttons are just so pretty. Next we have my absolute queen, ZOYA. Queen ZOYA. Like literally Queen ZOYA. Who owns her own company. And look at this fucking skirt. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. She's so talented. Look at this dress. Open back. Perfect. We're gonna wear such fun shoes with this. We have the classic black mini skirt. I actually wore this in New York months and months and months ago, but it's such a staple. I didn't even know she was sending me these. Look at how fucking cute this set is. Like, this is PJs, you're kidding. Like a comfy ass sports bra that's cute. And then this is like literally insane. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ah, ZOYA, my literal queen. Please go shop her stuff by ZOYA Garg. So first of all, we have like, oh my gosh, so fun, so casual, kind of like an early 2000s vibe. Then we have this cute, like soft little scrunchy skirt, mini skirt, which I feel like would be cute with a lot. This one really got me. Once again, we need our corset. These shorts I thought were so cute. I found them on Revolve and they like already kind of folded down. You can buckle them and they fit really nice, and they're short, but they're not too short, and I really like how they look. Look at this romper. Oh my gosh. It's so fun. This is, am I being dramatic, or do you guys feel the same way? Y'all know my love for free people. You know my love for free people. Yeah, I just found some cute stuff that I thought you guys would be interested in as well. Look at these little shorts. I have a feeling that I'm really, really gonna like wear the crap out of these, because this is something that you could literally throw over your swimsuit and just throw like a tank top on and go, you know? And then I also found these really cute shorts, which I thought the pockets on these were really cute, because I, like, as much as I love like this little fun like fold down moment, I think it's always nice to have a good staple pair of like jean shorts. And I do have other jean shorts, but I like the wash of these, and yeah, I love them. I also got this really fun bag. So this cute little pink bag. Now we pack. We really pack. I've been making excuses and procrastinating. No, I literally leave. So don't really have a choice. Well, look at who it is. It's me. Hey guys, my hair looks crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, hi. So it is currently almost 11:30 and I'm in LA right now. It's the next day, May 5th, and I just went and I'm at Anna's house right now. She literally is such a queen, like letting me stay the night here, because I wanted to break up my travel day, because otherwise it would have been like a 30-hour travel day to Spain. And so I wanted to break it up a little bit, and so it was a really good excuse to come here and hang out with Anna for the day. I wanted to just keep vlogging and chat, because I don't know why this turned into like a weird longer vlog, just because I feel like the packing was really chaotic and I like stopped vlogging just to get everything done. But I am all packed, I'm all ready to go. I'm so excited. I'm waking up at 6, so I'm gonna go to bed here soon, but I thought I would do like a little night routine, little recap. It was a great day and it was so needed. Like I don't really like film my night routine, but I put on this oil every night. I've been putting on this oil. So it's the Noto Deep Serum Face and Neck. I love it. I've been using it every night for the past couple weeks. And then I take my gua sha, which used to have like a little, it broke. I dropped it. It's so sad. I just recently started using these and I'm obsessed. Like, I'll just lay in bed and I'll just do this. I'm gonna start the vlog tomorrow. Just like the official Spain one. I wanted to end this on a good note because the Europe travel day is just so long. It's so long. It's so long. I'm going to peacefully get in bed, get organized, do some work on my computer, and then we have a very, very exciting 2 weeks coming up. So I'm pumped. I hope you're pumped, and let's freaking sprinkle our positivity all over the planet. Go make today amazing. I believe in you. I'll see you soon.